Good morning. Today we're going to evaluate a limit. It's the limit as x approaches negative infinity of the square root of 3x to the fourth plus x divided by x squared minus 8. The way we're going to evaluate this limit is we're going to divide the numerator and the denominator by the highest power of x in the denominator, which is x squared. So the limit as x approaches negative infinity, we'll say 3x to the fourth plus x divided by x squared divided by x squared minus 8 over x squared. I'll take care of this denominator first, simplify it, rewrite it, and then we'll come back and do the numerator in a minute. That's actually the tricky part. So we have the limit as x approaches negative infinity of the square root of 3x to the fourth plus x divided by x squared over, I'm going to decompose this denominator into x squared over x squared minus 8 over x squared. Simplify. X squared over x squared is 1. That's a 1. So I'll rewrite the expression and take care of the numerator. So we have the limit as x approaches negative infinity, and we'll write the denominator first, 1 minus 8 over x squared. And in the numerator, my issue here, in order to evaluate this limit, is this x squared. I want it under this radical. In order to put it under that radical, I need to rewrite it as the square root of x to the fourth. The square root of x to the fourth is x squared. Now, usually we still need to think about it, but typically in these kind of cases where we multiply by a -1 in order not to change the expression. But notice in the up here, as x approaches negative infinity, x squared is a positive number. And down here, as x approaches negative infinity, the square root of x to the fourth is a positive number. So we have not changed the value of this function as x approaches negative infinity whatsoever by rewriting it this way. So we'll just go full steam ahead and go ahead and write this under a single radical and decompose and simplify. So we have the limit as x approaches negative infinity, writing under a single radical of 3x to the fourth over x to the fourth. I don't like that. Sorry. X to the fourth plus x over x to the fourth, all divided by 1 minus 8 over 8 over x squared. We'll simplify. X to the fourth over x to the fourth just leaves the 3. So let's look at it again, recopy it. The limit as x approaches negative infinity of the square root of 3, x over x to the fourth simplifies to 1 over x cubed. Really not going to make a whole lot of difference, but should be consistent. Plus 1 over x cubed divided by 1 minus 8 over x squared. Now we'll take the limit. As x approaches negative infinity, 1 over x cubed goes to 0. 8 over x squared goes to 0 as well. So we are left with the numerator is going to root 3, the denominator is going to 1. So the limit as x approaches negative infinity of the square root of 3x to the 4th plus x over x squared minus 8 is root 3. And that's how you do it.